This is lesson 5. We'll cover the use of quantifiers. Let's analyze the sentences. There are a lot of people in the street. There is a little juice left. What words express quantity? A lot of and a little express quantity. They are quantifiers. We use a lot of to talk about a large quantity. We use it for both countable and uncountable nouns. For example, I have a lot of cookies in the room. Cookies is a countable noun. There is a lot of water in the kitchen. Water is an uncountable noun. We use quite a lot of for medium quantity, for both countable and uncountable nouns. For example, I have quite a lot of oranges. Oranges is a countable noun. There is quite a lot of yogurt in the bottle. Yogurt is an uncountable noun. We use a few to talk about a small quantity and only with countable nouns. For example, there are a few apples in the basket. Apples is a countable noun. We use a little and not much to talk about a small quantity and only with uncountable nouns. For example, there is a little water in the glass. Water is an uncountable noun. Or we can say, there is not much water in the glass. We use a few or not many to refer to a small quantity and only with countable nouns. For example, I have a few carrots in the kitchen. Carrots is a countable noun. Or we can also say, there are not many carrots in the kitchen. We use not any to refer to zero quantity. It means nothing. We use it with both countable and uncountable nouns. For example, there are not any grapes in the bowl. Grapes is a countable noun. Or we can also say, there is not any yogurt in the bowl. Yogurt is an uncountable noun. This is a chart to give you a better view of the use of quantifiers. For countable nouns, we can use a lot of, quite a lot of, a few, not many, or not any. On the other hand, for uncountable nouns, we can use a lot of, quite a lot of, a little, not much, and not any. This is the end of lesson 5. Thank you for listening.